What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be talking about a new credit card. This credit card is for anyone and everyone out there. Basically people with bad credit, good credit, and just people who have been struggling to build your credit. So you don't have to have money or good credit history to own this card. And I'm gonna be talking about the features and the pros and cons of this very credit card today. This credit card is a big game changer. And if this is your first time stopping by this channel, be sure to subscribe now to avoid missing out on the latest helpful videos for your financial empowerment and financial wellness. What are the features of this card? So the card is called the Tomo card. I'll leave the link in the description section below. What is a Tomo card? The Tomo card is a credit card with a 7-day payment schedule. This can help you build your credit faster. To apply for this card, you need to have a social security number or ITN number and a government issued ID. This video is not sponsored by Tomo or anybody. Just go ahead and hit the like button to help other people find this video quicker. Thank you. Okay, so let's dive into the features of this card, and we're also going to talk about the pros and cons of this card as we go through these features. The very first feature of this card is that it gives you up to $10,000 in credit limit. This is not a secured card. This is an actual unsecured credit card. You can get approved from anywhere from $100 to $10,000, and your credit is customizable, meaning that if you keep using your credit card well and you keep making payments on time, they could increase your limit over time like any other credit card out there. So with a secure credit card, you have to put down a specific amount of minimum security deposit. I've talked about this in the previous video. You can check this out at the top right corner, or you could check the links in the description section below for that video. That video covers the differences between a secure credit card and an unsecured credit card. If you apply, they pre-approve you for your credit limit, and this credit limit does not have anything to do with your past credit history. And in this video, this will blow your mind. I tried to apply twice, so I did get pre-approved twice, and I'll show all that stuff in this video, and this was really interesting. So if you want to find out how much I got pre-approved for twice, be sure to hang on till the end of this video for that information. Next feature here is there is no credit check. This credit card provides you with no credit check, so you don't have to worry about someone else checking your credit or a minimum credit score for you to get this card. Most unsecured credit cards out there will require you to have a good credit standing before you can apply. Next feature here is no fees. So there's 0% APR. Basically, APRs are the annual percentage rates that you get charged for using your credit card, and this could include things from transaction fees to interest charges and whatnot. And with this card, you don't have any interest charges and you don't have any fees attached to this card. This card also gives you a 1 to 2% cashback for transactions. So right now, the only rewards program they have is the cashback program. They don't do any travel rewards program, and with you using this card, you get 1 to 2% back for every dollar you spend. So let's say if you spend $100 on this card, you're gonna get anywhere from $1 to $2 for using this card. They don't pull your credit. In order for you to get this card, no one is pulling your credit score, no one is checking your credit score. So this is a really great thing. Let's talk about the downsides of this card. One of the things about this card is that you have to link your bank account. Typically with any unsecured credit card out there, you don't need to link your bank account, right? But with the Tomo card, you will need to link a bank account. I mean, you can link more than one bank account, but the reason for this is that they don't do balance transfers. You can't carry balances from one month to the other month. So this is a card that's really great for you if you're trying to build your credit, because let's face the facts. If you really want to build your credit, you don't want to be out there carrying heavy balances on credit cards, right? You want to maintain good credit habits, pay your bills on time, and make sure you're not living above your means by purchasing things you can't afford anyways. So this is a great card for people who really want that high credit limit, and people who also are disciplined enough to make their payments on time. So that's the downside of this. See how much I get pre-approved for. How much credit limit do you guys think I'll get pre-approved for? Let me know in the comment section below. So I'm putting in my email address right now. Do you think I'm gonna get the entire $10,000 limit? Let me know. How much do you think? 1,000? Okay, I'm gonna put in my age. How old am I? Okay. Do I have a social security number? Yes, I do. Okay. Am I a student? No, I'm not a student. Okay. Let's do it. What's your total monthly income? I'm gonna put in a number. What is my monthly income? Let's say $8,000 or $5,000. See what happens. Okay. Total combined bank balances. Okay. Let's say $5,000. Okay. Submit. Let's see what happens. Wow, I was approved for 5,000 in credit limit. Can you see that, guys? This is insane. So you guys give this a shot. I just put in some random numbers there. I put in 5,000 and this is what happened. So I got 5,000 credit limit. So finish. All right, guys, let's try this again with a different email address and different income limits and account balance just to see what happens, right? All right, hang on. So I'm gonna put in my other email address and see what happens. Okay. How old am I? Put in my age. Do you have a social security number? Yes, I do. Are you a student? No, I'm not a student. Let's do it. So monthly income, I'm gonna put in $400 a week times. I'm gonna put in $1,600, or let's just say $1,500. See what happens. Then bank account balance, I'm gonna put in $500 and see what happens. How much do you guys think? Whoa, $5,000 again. This is insane. All right, give this a shot and let me know what you think. I think this is so awesome. You can get pre-approved right now. Let me know in the comment section below how much you got pre-approved for. So now that you know the features of this card, and now that you've gone through and you've seen the downside and the pros of this card, if you felt that this video was helpful to you, be sure to share this with other people to help them get empowered and to help them on their journey to financial wellness. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.